Okay. Hi everybody. Today we're going to be making brittle. And to get started, we're going to be making our own syrup. And the recipe for the syrup that I'm going to be making today, I got it from inspiredtaste.net. So if you need to go in there to take a look at this website, to take a look at the recipe, go to their website, inspiredtaste.net, and this is Adam's recipe. So first what we're going to do, we're going to combine 1 cup of water into a saucepan, and then 1 cup of sugar into the saucepan, and we're going to bring it to a boil. And if you don't know how to measure a cup, well, this is what it looks like, and then I just put it in here. Now we're going to go to our pan, we're going to mix it in, and we're going to go to our, and I actually used the wrong pan. This is the pan, this is my saucepan, so I'm going to be transporting it now here. My ingredients. Okay, and we're going to put it on medium high. So this is my front one here. There we go, that's medium high. And we're going to let that come to a simmer. And we're going to cook it, and we're going to swirl it around until it dissolves. So in the meantime, I'll go wash this pan. It hasn't even boiled yet. Now, part of cooking, you guys, is waiting. Now our syrup has come to a simmer, and we're just stirring it to make sure everything is cooled down. I mean fully mixed, and then we're going to let it cool down. Okay, so that's good. Now we're going to let it sit and cool down, and then we're going to refrigerate it for 4 weeks, and then we're going to use it on our brittle. Okay, and now this is actually an almond brittle, so we're going to cut 2 cups of almonds into slices. Here. Okay, my butter and sugar has combined nicely, as you can see. Now I'm going to add the corn syrup over here. And that is once again half a teaspoon. So we're going to mix this in until it is golden brown. We are ready. It's golden brown, just nicely well combined, as you can see here in the video. Now we're going to add in low heat. We're going to reduce the heat now to low. And we're actually going to move it to this other. That's on. There we go. And we're going to reduce it to in low heat. And turn this one change. And we're going to put in, combine the almonds and stir it in real good. Mix it in. For a few minutes, and then we're going to transfer it into a pan. Okay, now we're going to pour the mixture into a pan. Usually we use parchment paper, but right now we're going to be using our foil paper, and it will slide in easily into our pan. And then we're just going to flatten it out for our brittle. We want a nice thin brittle. And we put in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so next day, it's the morning, I'm wearing my pajamas. We cut the brittle, and
You may have some.
it tastes good. I mean, it doesn't look quite, we needed to let it cook for a little longer to make it
Brown,
because it's still pretty light, a light color here.
But we're not really like experts at cooking yet. So yeah.
So anybody can make this recipe. 2 thumbs up. Okay, bye.